there's definitely an improvement or increase in willingness and appetite for implementing PDS systems. So from a quarrying perspective, the issue is always costs in terms of delivery of a quality product. And what we've tried to do is develop a single roadmap in terms of hardware that we can deploy equally successful on a small quarrying site as well as a service operation. And as we learn the lessons with our partners in the journey of PDS adoption, both quarries and surface, that we actually adopt those and pass this on to our other customers so that there's a cross-pollination of solutions. I think that one of the big things that Bouygues Electronics has tried to implement is to have a single hardware platform, which means all of our customers can benefit on the quantity of scales. In that a single solution with different additional system components could be expandable to bigger machines versus smaller machines. If you take small little quarrying operations versus a big open pit mining, in that the scalability of the solution can definitely offer the support and meet the requirements of the quarrying industry. So yeah, having done this for 20 years, I think the technology is on quite an exponential roller coaster. We've also come to learn that not a single technology is the perfect solution for implementing PDS, and that a combination or sense of fusing of various technologies will ultimately lead to a very efficient, more improved, more reliable PDS solution in the future going forward.